Hey folks, Nick Shaheen here. It's time for an update for Palantir. The markets are open, so I've got one eye on the market. I don't have any fast active trades that expire today, but I am actively trading a few bearish positions that I booked today, one of which was Chevron. Yay! I won. I fought the oil and I won. I just fought the rhetoric, that's it, because it was rallying on rhetoric, and it was like BS, sold the call spreads, they played out. Okay. On to Palantir. I did a video on here. No, here. This candle right there, 15th June. And now it had a 10% rally, 9% rally since June. I said it's in a bullish position, and I said it would be okay for it to fade a little bit, even down to 22, and remount the effort to get to the triggers and go out. I'll share the lines that matter. And what do I do now? Nothing. If I'm long, I can trim if I want to. Why? Because get this. So yesterday's high was like 1750. Today's high was 1744. March 15th high was 1747. February 23rd high was, what am I saying, 2747. Now 2746. So 1 penny away from this one, a couple of pennies away from that one, a couple of pennies away from this one. You get the idea? So that level. Oh, look at all of these 27s. So here's the exciting part. So yes, I can trim and lock. Usually I lock and book often and early, and I don't mind missing out. But there's good, strong support below. Unless the whole market corrects, if it dips, and it's okay to dip, these are almost exactly the same words I said back here, just on the 15th. If it dips, and it's okay to dip, even down to 24, last time I said down to 22, come back and take this out, open air. By open air, I mean recent open air, like here. I mean, these are failing points, but they're far back, so the bulls might have, in the right environment, the open air trade. So why is this so exciting? It's a very clean neckline of an inverse head and shoulder. The upside potential could be as deep as high as deep it was. So let's not give it all of it. Let's say it was 20, not here. So if it's 20 to the neckline, that's 8 points. So you've got 36 in reach, if not 38. There will be a lot of resistances. 32 will cover, actually this one will cover a small gap, 31 and change. 32 will have a lot of resistance. Look at that big failing point up here. It leads GME mess up here. So this is an exciting trigger. And if I'm long, I can stay in it. I usually don't chase until the trigger happens. But if somebody wants to jump the gun on a bad day, did you hear that part? On a bad, what is happening? The VXX and the VIX do not agree right now. I tend to believe the VXX is an ETN on the futures of the VIX. The VIX is probably already trading tomorrow's expiration. The VIX contracts, options expire on Wednesday morning. I mean, they settle on Wednesday morning, they expire on Wednesday. Be careful if you're long markets. So I say that side conversation. All right, so good stock, fundamentals, I won't rehash it. Go watch the other video. It's from 6:15. Basically, it's a good business. It's not a typical whatever SPAC. It has actually a billing book. It's expensive from the price to sales, but who gives a flying fart right now? It's not important. They're growing into it. So everybody complained about Amazon being expensive for a decade. Look at it, $2 trillion. So don't worry about that part. As long as the management is executing on point and representing itself well and hitting its milestones and not taking steps back and not making errors. So far, there's no evidence of that. Then I give them credit. I give them benefit of the doubt that, hey, you know what? These guys are on rails. They just need time to expand their P&L in a way to make it look better for the value traders that are judging it as a value company incorrectly now, whereas it should be judged as a growth company now and not care about profitability. All right. That's as easy as this. Signing out. By the way, if you need all of this stuff, join me. You can reach me. The easiest way to reach me right now is through Benzinga. The other ways are full. I don't have any more spots open for that. So Benzinga is the place to be. Great folks, great team, great support. get it done.